स्मार्ट सिटी प्रकल्पा खाला पणजेंत कामां सुरू आसात. पणजेंतल्यो पायपलायनी तशेंच गटारां पुर्तुगीज स्टॅपा वयलीं आसात. तांची दुरुस्ती करपाचें काम सुरू आशिल्ल्यान पणजेंत जायती कडेन रस्ते खणल्यात. कांय रस्ते बंद केल्यात. हाका लागून येरादारीची कोयणी जाता. लोकांची गैरसोय जाता. पणजे म्हत्वाची खाती आशिल्ल्यान पणजे यो वच करपी लोकांक ह्या खणिल्ल्या रस्त्यांक लागून खूब त्रास जाता. पणजे महानगरपालिकेच्या महापौराक हाचे विशीं विचारल्यार येरादारीची गचमुट्टी येरादारी खात्याची जबाबदारी अशें म्हणून फाट केली.
पणजेन आतां सगळे खूब स्मार्ट सिटीची कामां आसात, ताका लागून पणजेन कंजेशन जाता आनी ट्राफीक जाम जाता, लोक कंप्लेनी करतात.
See, now that also we are trying to coordinate with traffic police. They should be deploying their people all over. Now we have raised the issue with them multiple times also. We will go speak to them again. But this is a traffic department. We are trying to get the contractors to do their jobs as fast as they can. But unless traffic steps up and starts doing their job also, now it will be very difficult for us to think. But we will continue having meetings with them and seeing what they can do with it. So that again was, we had to start everything. Central government was going to take back all of the funds. So now within the next 6 to 8 months everything should be done. June is our set deadline for everything. June, July is a set deadline for all of the projects. There can be no delay. This has been told by the center to the state also now. So all of the projects will start. So whatever teething issues there are, we will sort out within say the next couple of weeks, and then everything will proceed smoothly.